How to create an album on Lightroom app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Lightroom app. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go here, click on this plus icon as you can see. Now click on the album option. Now after you click album, all what you have to do is choose the name of the album. For example, I'm gonna name it album 1. Click OK, and here you go. Now I have an album from here that I can add photos to. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.